afternoon to respected principals, sir, AO, sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to deliver my speech on our country, my India. I am honored to have this opportunity to express my views on India. India is a country in South Asia with the second largest population in the world. It is the seventh largest in the world in terms of Asia. India is surrounded by Pakistan in the northwest, China and Nepal in the north, Bhutan and Bangladesh in the northeast, Myanmar in the east and by Sri Lanka in the south. The Arabian Sea bounds India on the west, the Bay of Bengal on the east and the Indian Ocean on the south. It is surrounded by the mountains called Himalayas in the north, which is one of the world's tallest. The main rivers of India are Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Kaveri, Narmada and Krishna. The capital of the country is located in New Delhi with the third largest military force in the world. Indian economy is one of the fastest growing economies in Asia. India is the seventh most prosperous country in the world with a total individual wealth of $5.6 trillion. India is a global example of unity in diversity. It is the resistant to several religion people, out of which five are major: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism and Sikhism. It has the fourth largest spoken languages in the world. Besides this, India is considered to be rich in flora and fauna. It is blessed to experience a different climate in the year. 21.7% of India is covered by forests, which is habitat to 12% of the global plant wealth and 75,000 species of animals. India is the largest democracy in the world with one of the most sensible constitutions in the world. The government of India was formed after India got independence from Great Britain in 1949. It has 28 states and 9 union territories. Government of India is divided into three parts: the legislative, the executive, the judiciary for smooth functioning. India is also home for rich heritage, culture and literature. Taj Mahal of India is counted in one of the seven wonders of the world. Cave paintings, rock sculptures are found across the country. Thousands of tourists visit every year to experience these in person. The variety of folk songs and dances which varies across states gives one of the unique identity to the country. It is a country of 1.2 billion people with different attire, culture, religion and language. It celebrates a variety of festivals throughout the year like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, etc. Through India's note on the top, we are doing education, healthcare and technology. IETS, NITS, IIMS are considered one of the best institutes in the world for studies. The literacy rate in India is improved to 74.4% from 12% in 1949. India is a hub for best quality healthcare facilities in low price. India is the third country in Asia to send a spacecraft to Mars in 2014 and the first country to be successful in its first attempt. India is the first country in the world to launch over 100 satellites in one mission. Bollywood industry is one of the largest movie industry in the world, generating much revenue in India. India is still fighting a few severe problems like poverty, unemployment, illiteracy and technological advancement. It cannot be denied that we have a long way to move in this front. However, I can say this proudly that we have come so far and we will achieve more in the coming future. I am thankful to God to be part of such a beautiful country. We all should come forward to do our part to make India the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.